This is Tyler with Pro Drain doing a video inspection of 4806 Northeast 29th Avenue. Coming from a clean out behind the washer drain in the basement. I pushed the camera out all the way over to the other side of the basement, to the north side, and this is the connection to the 4-inch main. So I was able to verify that this line ties in with this floor drain that's capped in the basement. Typically when these are capped, it's because the line is backing out of the floor drain and they don't want it to, and so they cap it off. But you can see that this old cast iron line is very corroded. It's got buildup. So we're upside down right now. The top part of the screen is the bottom of the pipe where the water flows. You can see all the buildup of rust or of lint and food and grease. As we pull back, we get to the spot where the floor drain ties in. Okay, right there. So on the top of the screen, top right of the screen, you can see there's a Y there. I was able to run the snake through the floor drain. It was very difficult to get it to go through. I finally got it to go through, and it did come into this pipe. So right there is the tie-in to the floor drain into the 2-inch cast iron line, soil pipeline that is coming from the laundry and the kitchen. Like I said, usually when people cap those off, it's because the water continues to back up out of the floor drain, and so they cap it so that it won't back up. We could remove the cap. The tenant's explaining that there's water on the floor. We could remove the cap, and we could possibly try to let that collect the water. So we don't know if the water's coming from. The tenant explained that the wash machine does not seem to affect it, and then sometimes after heavy rains they get water in the basement. So removing that cap hopefully would allow that water that's coming in from the rain when it rains would come into this drain. Problem is, most likely when you're on the washer, it's going to come up out of that floor drain. So this drain, if we want to make it work properly, probably needs to have a new drain, a new 2-inch cast iron installed. We pull back. You can see the dryer going off. So we come up to where the washer drain ties in. Okay, so that concludes our inspection. It looks like this line needs replaced to put a new floor drain in there. Maybe with a backwater device to keep it from backing up in the laundry drains.